So this question we are provided with 4 data, okay? 4 data. We have delta HF of NaHCO3, delta HF of Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. We have delta HF of water and delta HF of carbon dioxide. So how can we calculate this question? We need to calculate the delta HR, the extended enthalpy change of reaction of this reaction. This is the thermal decomposition of sodium hydrogen carbonate. So how can we calculate it? So first we copy the equation first. NaHCO3 as becomes Na2CO3 as with H2O, L, and CO2, G. So let's balance this side first, okay? For this side we have 2 Na, H2 because 1H and 2H, and then 2C and 6O, right? 6O, 2 times 3 equals 6, which means 3O2. And this is delta HF of NaHCO3. Okay? So we have completed this side. And the other side, this we also put down, this is delta HR. Okay, delta HR. The other side we have delta HF of, this is delta HF Na2CO3S. Let's check whether we have enough oxygen, carbon, and sodium. 2Na, 2Na, C, and then we have 1C, and the other C is for CO2, okay? 3O, then we give it 3O, and this is 2 plus 1 equals 3. So it seems that we have balanced both sides of the equation. Can you see that? This part with the black brackets, we balance both the left side of the equation and also the right hand side of the equation. It must balance, okay? The second one would be, this is delta HF, H2OL. And this would be delta HF, CO2. Okay? So we have already listed out all the data that we have been provided. Okay, wait a minute. Have you spot out any mistakes? If not, I think you should read the question more carefully. Yes, here, a 2 is missing, okay? A 2 is missing. Why? Because this is 2, so, but the delta HF is 1 mole of substance formed from its constituent elements. So, if this is 2, we need to multiply it by 2, okay? Remember. So, another step, we start calculating, okay? This is step 1. Step 2, we put down by Hess's law, okay? We apply Hess's law. In the third step, we put down the clockwise direction and the anti-clockwise direction and the anti-clockwise direction, okay? Clockwise is 2 delta HF NaHCO3 plus delta HR equals delta HF Na2CO3 plus delta HF water and delta HF CO2. Is it clear? So now we substitute the correct corresponding values, okay? 2 times negative 947.7 plus delta HR equals negative 1131 plus negative 285.8 plus negative 393.5. So delta HR, what is the value of delta HR? Use your calculator to find it. It would be positive 85.1 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so remember to put down the correct unit, kilojoule per mole, unit and put down the sign, okay? Sign. Put down both things and the correct value so that you can obtain the mark for the answer. Okay, so we have completed this question.